Hi everyone, this is CNA Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. And if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe it and also press the bell notification so that you'll get the notifications for all the new videos. I hope you guys are already aware about this thing that income tax due dates are extended. So for the cases of the non-audit ITRs, earlier the last date was 31st July. Now it's been extended to 30th September 2021. But payment of self-assessment tax date is not yet extended. So if your liability, here it means tax liability, if it's more than 1 lakh rupees, in that case you have to pay your self-assessment tax by 31st July only. Otherwise, there is 1% per month interest under section 234A is there. So kindly listen it very carefully. If your annual tax liability for the financial year 2021, if it's more than 1 lakh rupees after paying TDS, advance tax and everything, MAT credit and also other things, if it's more than 1 lakh rupees, then you have to pay your self-assessment tax by 31st July only. You can file your ITR later on, but you have to calculate your taxes and pay the self-assessment tax to save the interest under section 234A. And also, one more point is there. Although to providing TDS certificate for Form 16 has already been extended. Earlier it was 15th June, now it's 15th July. But if it's non-salary cases, if TDS is directly under section under non-salary cases, in that case dates are not extended. So the banks who have to provide the TDS certificate for the interest cases, they have to provide it before 15 June only. So kindly take note of these 2 points. It's very important. That's why I made this video, because people are not understanding this thing, that self-assessment tax date is still not yet extended. And in the last year also this thing was remain same, that the paying self-assessment tax dates was not extended. So and in this year also dates are extended to filing the ITRs but not for the self-assessment tax. So kindly, if your tax liability is more than 1 lakh rupees, pay before 31st July so that you can save the interest under section 234A. That is 1% per month. And also, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, kindly like it and subscribe for my channel. And also share this video with everyone you know, so that they can also calculate their taxes and pay on time and can save their interest and penalty and other things as well. And thank you so much. Bye.